What's up, guys? I'm out in the woods getting some adventure in. It's at the very end of summer. It's cold randomly, which I'm not super into, but I'm out here making it happen anyway. It's overcast. It could be, weather conditions could be a lot better, but I need some cold water in my life and I need to swim underwater. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go camping after this. Hopefully I'm gonna go to one of my favorite spots. I haven't been there in several years. It's up against the river. What else? We're gonna cook some tacos. I bought a new Dutch oven and we're gonna cook some tacos, slow cook some chicken thighs. Make some tacos out of that. I'm gonna make some slaw, because I like slaw on a taco. It's good. Cabbage can be good. Try to live your life a little. But yeah, adventure. I wanted to do this last week, but I didn't do it. I needed a easy weekend, so that's what I did. But we out here adventuring. So yeah, come along with me. I'll see you at the water. I lied. I'm gonna see you at this landslide because I need to show it to you. I'm in the middle of a landslide. This happened during Hangin, and yeah, it's pretty gnarly. I'm really hoping that the water's going to be clear. It's been raining a bunch. Hurricane Erin has been bringing a lot of weather towards us that we don't normally get, and I think that's why it's been cold. The weather's been cold as well. But yeah, even if the water's not clear, we still gonna do it. We still gonna get in that thing. We gonna get in that water hole, swim around. I'm gonna take you guys under a waterfall. I basically taught myself how to free dive at this swimming hole. It's my favorite place, and I'm not gonna tell you the name of it because I need to protect it. A lot of college students come here. Yeah, I'll see you at the water. Huh. love this place so much. Pure love. Paradise. That was amazing. I needed that. The water was 72 degrees, cold enough to make it like slightly uncomfortable, but then you immediately get used to it. And it's not super cold out. I think it's like high 60s today. Yeah, I really needed this. I'm having a good day. I was very surprised at how busy it was. Normally when it's overcast like this, not a lot of people come out. But I think because the school year just started, a bunch of college kids are coming out on the weekends to get their freak on. Oh, I want to get my freak on. Dang. And anyway, enough about that. I mean, I am getting my freak on. I'm getting my freak on under the water and under the waterfalls, baby. See, now I'm alive. I feel alive now. When I first started on the hike, I was not awake yet. I did not sleep very well last night. And I'm also being very chatty right now. But yeah, we're gonna go eat a boar's head sandwich that I bought at the grocery store. And then we're gonna go find us a place to camp. I've got a spot picked out that I wanna go to. It's up against the river. It's a beautiful spot. And yeah, hoping that it's free and available. I might have to hammock camp there. I'm not sure. I would prefer to sleep in my tent because I sleep better in a tent. But if I have to hammock, I will. All right. Let's head back to the car. The sun's coming out. It's so beautiful here. This is my snorkeling slash backpacking freediving waterfall setup. This is a Nike skateboard backpack. It's made for a skateboard, but I'm just putting my fins in there because it makes sense. This hike is fairly short. I don't even think it's a full quarter mile, and but it's a workout. You go straight down a gorge and then straight back up it. It's a good quad workout. I'm gonna be feeling it tomorrow. All right. That's what old boy ought to look like right there. You see that, son? You gotta work for that right there, son. For real though, I have body dysmorphia. I've had it my entire life because I've always been a bit chubby, but in my late 30s, I sort of don't care anymore. Also, putting tattoos all over my body helps. And when you're a freediver, you gotta take your shirt off a bunch, so, you know. I've accepted it. All right, let's eat lunch. I'm hungry. Macaroni salad. Yummers. Chicken Sammy. I got it at Ingles. Boar's head. The finest of meat. A little bit of Coca-Cola. Listen to this. Oh. It's not the healthiest thing to drink, but buddy, it's tasty. I like Coke and I also like Pepsi. I would say that I like Pepsi better, but sometimes you just feel like having a Coke and some days you feel like having a Pepsi. You know, it just depends on how you're feeling. The parking lot is full. People are even parking on the edge of the road. This is a very popular spot. Let's go find somewhere to camp, boys and girls. I really hope that the spot that I want to go to is available. And I also hope that it's not washed out. It's been a couple years since I've been, and Hurricane Helene and all types of craps happened since then. So yeah, let's see, let's go check it out. What you think about that? Wait till you see what's behind you. Would you just look at it? Unfortunately, someone left their trash here, but I will take care of it. So I've been taking magic lessons, and I think I've figured out how to set my tent up. It's a little, it goes like this. It worked! As you can see here, clearly my magic trick worked. I'm just a fast learner, you know? I should have went to Hogwarts or something. So I'm gonna set up a tarp over the tent in case it starts like going crazy on us later, so that I can cook and not be miserable in the rain. When you're camping in the rain, you gotta set yourself up for comfort, and that's what I'm gonna do. I don't have to wake up early in the morning, so we can just really get cozy and just make ourselves at home. All right. Also, my mustache is out of control, and I'm probably going to cut it soon. So, yeah. Let's set this tarp up. It is completed. It's not my finest work, but it'll work for a light rain. If it starts raining heavy, I'd probably have to put something in this middle support, or it would start dragging, or there'd be like a bubble pocket and it'd sag. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Just enough to chill under there if it starts raining. And I'm gonna make some type of a fire pit right here. Just have a nice small fire so I can be up close. Shoo! It's a situation out here. I'm getting a little swamped up. Might have to take me a dip in this cold water. This water is going to be a lot colder than the water that I was just at. This is runoff water from the mountains, and where I was at, the water was coming from a lake. So the water was 72 degrees, which was just right where it needed to be. Cool. I'm gonna make a fire pit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film that, and I need to get wood. Wood is very important because I need to cook with that wood. I think I have some charcoal just in case. Worst case scenario, but we gonna get us some wood. Cool. Let's get this fire pit in a nice situation here. I'm not going to do a full circle because of cooking, and yeah, this hurts my knees a lot. Oh shit! Holler sauce. I'm finding mica everywhere. Hey! That's too small to keep. It sort of looks like fool's gold. The fool's gold is like harder though, I think. I'm not sure if mica is related to fool's gold. Here's some more that I found earlier. These are some big flakes. And it's very flaky, and I think that it's possible that they used to make mirrors out of mica way back in the day. Also finding a lot of good skipping rocks. Might have to skip a couple rocks. Oh no! So, I was skipping rocks, and I noticed I was getting some flybys, which I'm excited to see the footage from that. And then I just kept doing it, and then I hit the freaking, the selfie stick, and it fell into the water. But the media attachment to my GoPro is not waterproof. I've left it in the rain before, and it was fine, and it was literally just fully submerged for like 5 to 10 seconds. I like sprinted over and grabbed it, and I let it dry out for like 30-45 minutes. But it's working. Hopefully the sound is working. So yeah, it's beer 30, and I'm gonna start the fire early so we can get some coals, because we've got a lot of wet wood. And yeah, just enjoy the sound of this beautiful stream, creek, river, whatever you want to call it. It's very loud, you can probably hear it. But yeah, let's grab as a beverage. Woo! Cheers, boys. Fatwood for the win. I wish it would rain, but the sun's coming out. Probably built this tarp for no reason. But it's better to have it set up and not need it, and to not have it set up and need it. Haha! Lord, I get discombobulated with my words sometimes, you know? Lord! Hello, everybody. Just chilling out. It's gotten a little cool, so I got a hoodie on. I'm glad I started the fire when I did, because all the wood is wet and it's taken a long time to get going, but I think we're seeing some progress now. I split a couple of, I cut some down and then I split some, and when a piece of wood is split, it's easier to catch on, to take fire. My brain's not working. That's what it's doing right now. I got it piled up so the heat can dry out all the other stuff. But yeah, just out here hanging out. I hurt my foot earlier, and it's making me worry that I have a gout situation. I've had gout before, and it's horrible. But I stay away from red meat, and that helps it stay away. But here recently had a cheeseburger or two. So, but I'll know by tomorrow morning if it's actually full-blown coming back or not. I could have just hurt the joint in my toe walking on all of these rocks and hiking. But yeah, we're gonna have a good time though. The weather is beautiful. The creek beside me is very therapeutic, and just let me vibe. I'm vibing hard. other than my toe hurting. What's next? We out here doing it, guys. This is a beautiful spot. I need to pull my Dutch oven out. Get that thing going. Half on, half off. Olive oil. Alright. Maybe a touch more, scotch more. Scoop. Watch out. Alright. Don't mind if I do. Oh, that's the wrong side. Oh, that's right, actually. I've got SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, and Saison, 2 packets of Saison. And that's what I'm going to use as my taco seasoning. Time. I'm not going to go real small on these. So I just want it to dance around with that chicken. I want to practice positive mental attitude, but my toe hurts a lot and it's very gouty. But I will know tomorrow morning. When I wake up in the morning, if it's not better, then it'll go away. But if it's the same, then it's here. And I'm gonna have to go get some medication at the emergency room. I don't have a doctor. I need to get one. My job's insurance changed a few years ago and I never got a new doctor because I couldn't keep the same doctor because my insurance changed. Anyway, it's painful. It's bumming me out. I'm trying to stay positive and get through it. I even thought about leaving and ditching the episode. But it's possible that it will go away overnight. I need to take better care of myself, I need to eat better, and I need to stop drinking as much, and potentially not drink at all. We'll see where life takes us. But, I'm turning 38 in like 3 weeks. Actually, two weeks. Like 2.5, like 2 weeks. I'm turning 38 in 2 weeks. I'm not going to tell you my birthday, but please wish me happy birthday. Thank you. Yeah, I need to make some lifestyle changes. So hopefully I can report on that and my journey with you guys. Freediving makes me keep a manageable touch on my health, and I'm thankful for that, but life has sort of been telling me recently that I need to take extra care, so yeah. But anyway, these chicken thighs are cooking, and we're gonna eat them. I'll see you at the dinner table. I'm having a very simple dinner tonight. So, cheers. Oh, Lord. That one got away from me. Very good. I just love the crunch of the coleslaw. Or, I love the crunch of the cabbage. Totos! The makers of Totos! Oh hey, it's me. I'm headed to bed. I'm very tired. My foot hurts. And y'all say a prayer for me. That that I don't wake up with a messed up foot. Because I got things I need to do, and I got something in my eye. Anyway, positive mental attitude. The foot's going to be okay tomorrow. Good night. Thank you for chilling with me. Please like and subscribe. And, yeah, I need to tell you guys to do that more. Because, yeah. Anyway, I'm not feeling myself. My foot hurts. I'm going to bed. Good morning. I slept horrible, but I don't really feel that bad. Other than my foot. My foot is still hurting. It's a legit gout flare-up. It's going to be hard to tear this tent down. Luckily, I put everything up last night except for my tarp and my tent. So I'm gonna pack my stuff up and go home and take medicine. I've got 3 pills left over from the last time I had gout. I really don't want to go to the emergency room, but I'll have to if I don't have enough medicine to make the inflammation go away. Gout is horrible. It's some of the worst pain I've ever been in. I've had 2 really bad flare-ups in the past. And, yeah. But I'm glad I didn't go home last night. I was almost packed everything up and left, but I'm glad I stayed. And I appreciate you guys for chilling with me. You know? You never know what you're going to find out in the wilderness. Or down by the creek. And I found gout down at the creek. I didn't even cook everything that I was going to cook last night. Bought some cheese dip. I was going to munch down on some cheese dip. Or queso. Yeah. But yeah. I'll talk to you guys when I get everything packed up and let you know how my foot's doing. All these rocks that I've been walking on have just been making it so much worse, so I'm gonna be hobbling around. Alright, good morning, I'll talk to you soon. My foot hurts. Alright, camp is cleaned up. I love this spot. I've been camping here since I was a kid. My dad used to bring me here. It's a beautiful spot. Hello everybody, just a couple things. I figured out how to do voiceover so I can save this video. So earlier in the video, you noticed that I knocked my GoPro into the water. A couple days later, it completely quit working. I 100% have gout. I went to the emergency room. I got meds.
I'm on the up and up. I'm making some things happen. I haven't been drinking. I haven't been eating cheeseburgers and whatnot. And I've been taking care of myself and I've been drinking lots of water. Anyway, I appreciate you so much for chilling with me. Um, this is one of my favorite spots to go camping. I've been wanting to do a video. That's me doing a Arnold. Ah! That's the noise I just did. I had to recreate it. And hopefully I'm not ruining everything right now. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, I'm trying to time this just right for the end of the video because I'm still talking in no noise land. But this is me saying I love you and please hang out with me. Thank you.